Hello guys, it's me Santi Boy, and today the round of 16 has concluded. All my predictions were freaking wrong,
Mare.
and Real Madrid lost to Man City. All because of Varane. No, it's not Varane's fault. It was Varane's fault. What the hell am I talking about? The first mistake which he committed was that he didn't pass the ball quick enough to his teammates, and Gabriel Jesus took opportunity of that error and passed the ball to Sterling, who had to just tap it in an open net. But Militao could have blocked that, but I don't blame him, and Sterling made it 1-0. Soon after Sterling's goal, Benzema capitalized on a Rodrigo cross and made it 1-1. Ederson could not save the header from Benzema, and we're back on track. We had the momentum. The first half had been concluded and it was 1-all. But then Varane, he didn't learn from his past mistakes and conceded the second goal with Courtois in no man's land. This time, Gabriel Jesus, being the provider for the first goal, became the rider for the second goal and slotted it past Courtois. So after Man City's second goal, the match was practically dead and Man City won the tie and the match also. Varane took blame for a defeat after the match, but don't be so harsh on him, man. He has been reliable at the back for the whole season and he just commits two blunders. Not just, but two heavy blunders. But moving on from Varane's mistake, you also have to give Man City credit. They played brilliantly in the first leg with Kevin De Bruyne, the mastermind. He also did enough in the second leg, but all jokes were on Varane. He became David Luiz's successor. Let's now move on to the Leon Juventus game. Leon won on aggregate 2-all by the away goals rule, but lost the second leg 2-1 to Juventus. Ronaldo produced a wonder strike and a penalty goal. Leon also scored an away goal with the penalty from Memphis Depay, but both the penalties were given wrong. Juventus wasn't also a penalty and Leon's wasn't also a penalty, but Leon got the advantage with the away goal, and you have to feel sorry for Ronaldo, man. Since he left Real also have been bad, Juventus also have been bad. So, how about a comeback to Real Ronaldo, huh? Now let's move on to the Barcelona-Napoli game. Barcelona drew 1-all at the Napoli Stadium and had that away goal advantage and they capitalized on it. They won 3-1 and Messi scored a wonder goal. He was slipping on his feet and scored the goal somehow. I don't know. He's just a machine. I can't say any more words than that. Clement Longley also scored a header along with, I don't know, who scored the third goal? Oh yeah, Luis Suarez scored a penalty at the first half stoppage time and Barcelona cruised towards the quarterfinals. Now for the last match, which was Bayern vs Chelsea. The tie was practically over when Bayern scored 3 goals at the Stamford Bridge. But they again thrashed Chelsea 4-1 with goals from Lewandowski, Ivan Perisic and Corentin Tolisso. Chelsea also scored a goal through Tammy Abraham. It was just a dodgy tap in. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe because I need money fast. I'm from a poor background. Do you want a poor child to starve, huh? Huh?